It's particularly with the track Test Drive, like if you're a How to Train Your Dragon fan, you know exactly like what Test Drive is, you know. It's practically this franchise's theme song. And like in like, you know, that scene, like with the test drive, you obviously know what I'm talking about. If you've seen like either versions of this movie, I just really lost, you know, hearing the song again because it's just so good. Like honestly, I like during that sequence, I just got so carried away, like with all like the nostalgia basing and stuff. But